Cops is filmed on location in Limerick City with the men and women of law enforcement. All scumbags are guilty. Well, me and my partner here from Wisconsin, we were transferred over on a Garda Síochána exchange program, and boy did we get the short end of the stick. Okay, we got a 2019 out there in Cosgrave Park in my Ross again. I got a funny feeling I know the couple that's involved in this one. Domestic disturbance again.
Thanks for coming, officer. Thanks for coming, officer. I'm really happy you came. He's a handicap. He threw me out the top of the window and I bounced off the ground, but I know he loves me. I bring it all on myself, I swear. I bring it all on myself. I'm with him now years, like, you know. I'd never leave him. I love him, like, but he hit me with the baseball bat again. I'm sick of it. Handicap! Handicap! He's wrecking the place above, officer. I can't handle it all. I can't handle it. I can't handle it.
Phone the cops to me, will you? Phone the cops to me, will you? Come here to me. Come here to me.
Will you get away? Come here, get away. Not in the face, love. Not in the face.
Alright, free man, you're under arrest. We're gonna have to take you downtown.
Get off me, you yank! Get off my house, we're going! Get off me, you yank! I swear to God, get off my house!
Get over here!
Yank!
Get away from him, officer! You know nothing about us! You know nothing about us! Get away! I love him! I love him! Anthony! I love you, Anthony!